Hi everyone, welcome back. For today we are going to be unboxing and doing a mani with the July exclusive from Nails Truly, which consists of exclusive decal sheets, dips, and a cuticle oil, and I am so excited about this month. So you can probably already guess that this theme is Christmas in July, and I am so excited. So this first little Christmassy bag here, it is adorable. The packaging and the attention to detail is amazing. So we have a cuticle oil, and then we have some fun dip powders here. We have Bright, Jolly, and Merry, and these are some really fun Christmassy July colors, and you're going to see them here in action in just a few moments. We also have an exclusive scent cuticle oil, and I am really excited about these cuticle oils. I love them so much. They are a very amazing cuticle oil. They're more of a dry oil, and what I mean by that is that they're not greasy at all, and they actually nourish your cuticles. So the next thing in here, it's a little surprise, and this is really pretty. This is a bracelet, and I love it so much, and it has a little pearl on there, so just an extra fun surprise in this little goodie bag here. And how cute is this bracelet? I love it so much. Perfect for the summer season. Okay, now how funny and cute are these decals here with the Santa? I just think it's so funny. He's in a swimsuit, and then we have the watermelon Christmas trees and that flamingo with the hat. And then we have this file here, which you've probably seen in action already on my channel. How fun are these cute decal sheets? So we're diving into the first sheet here. It is Jingle Shells. It is fun. And then we have Christmas, like Nightmare Before Christmas pattern. I love it. We have Edward Scissorhands and Avon is Calling. I think it's so fun. And then Christmas in July, yes, is all the classic Christmassy stuff. We have the Minions here, which I'm obsessed with the Minions. Well, actually, my little peanut Leo is obsessed with Minions. He's 1.5. But we're going to be using some decals today, and we're going to be using these really fun ones with the Santa, with the swimsuit, and a flamingo. And then we're going to be using all these really fun dip powders that are part of this July exclusive. So each month Nails Truly comes out with an exclusive bundle, and it has dip powders that are exclusive to that bundle and decal sheets, and it's a really fun theme each month. And last month with Lisa Frank, and I was completely blown away by that one. And this one is amazing as well. Christmas in July is just a fun twist. And honestly, these dip powders that we're using today are just so fun, and they're perfect for all year long. And I just really like the whole Christmas in July thing, because if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that we do Christmas really big on my channel. And I just really like the whole Christmas in July kind of vibe. But anyways, enough chit chat. You can already see here that this dip powder is performing amazing, and we are doing the gel method. But for today's mani, we are going to dive into these dip powders, and I will let you watch these beautiful powders in action, and then I will pop back in a little bit when we apply some decals.
And Christmas is my favorite time.
All right, so I'm just finishing up filing and buffing these nails, and here is the mani that is filed and buffed. I did the rest off camera. So we're going to go ahead and apply some decals. Now I'm going to use the Modelones gel base, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then while that was curing, I already put that little decal of that flamingo in the water, so it is ready to go for the nail here. Now I like using the Macart gel base when I want to be able to move around a decal. So we're going to put this little flamingo on the nail. But when I cure the Modelones, it lets me have some wiggle room with this decal. You're going to see here that I'm able to slide this decal around and gently press it down to exactly where I want it. And I have that ability with the Modelones gel base. And again, I did cure it for 30 seconds. There's just something magical about that base that lets you have that wiggle room. So a lot of times you see me using that Macart transfer foil glue. If I would have used that on this nail for this mani, I would not have been able to move around these decals like you see here. When you're using the Macart transfer foil glue, wherever you put that decal, that is where that decal is going to be. So that's perfect for like your full coverage decals. But when you want to move something around, the Modelones is definitely going to be your jam. Okay, so I took a little bit of acetone on this flat brush here, and I'm just cleaning up the sides. And then I had a little air bubble where that Santa was. So that's where I gently dabbed that brush with the acetone on that Santa, and it eliminated that air bubble in that decal. So that's another trick. If you really want your decals to be one with the nail, you could dab a little bit of acetone on that brush. Again, you are literally just dabbing it on there. You do not want to have an aggressive hand when you're doing that, because what you're going to do is you're going to put a hole in that decal or dissolve that decal away. Acetone and decals are not friends. That's why you use that acetone when you're using like a full length decal to help dissolve that extra that's hanging over the nail. So just be really careful, but the method that I'm using on that flat brush with that light hand works wonders, and it makes my decals become one with my nail, and I'm really obsessed with that method. And that brush is from Sundara Nails, and it's a very gentle brush, and I notice when I use that brush that I do not have any issues with putting holes in my decals. Okay, so I hand placed some glitter on this nail here just to give it some more Christmassy kind of vibe. And here's the finished mani. I went ahead and finished it up with a gel top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. And this is our finished mani. It's fun, it's bright, it's totally Christmassy. It has me thinking Christmas in July, and I'm totally loving it. Now, these dip powders performed amazingly. As you saw, they are cram-packed full of sparkly goodness and pigment, and they laid really flat to the nail. And also, filing and buffing was a dream with these dip powders. Just the dip powders alone in this collection blew me away. I think the color scheme and that chunky glitter is so fun. But then these decals are really fun to use, and you can even use these for the Christmas season, especially if you live in like a more tropical climate like Florida or something like that where it's like always warm. I think these decals are going to be so fun. So again, these are exclusive dips and exclusive decal sheets that you can only get through this bundle through Nails Truly. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Also, that bag that you saw, I will link that as well. I do have a discount code if you ever order from Nails Truly to get some decals. Feel free to use Mallory at checkout, and that will help you save some additional savings on your Nails Truly order. She has tons of amazing decals in her shop, and you know I'm always using them on my channel because I'm obsessed with them. I've tried a lot of different water decals, but the quality and the color payoff and just how well they perform from Nails Truly is just blows me out of the water. And they are honestly the only water decals that I'll use because I've had really bad experiences with other decals, and I know that the Nails Truly ones are going to perform amazingly. So, all right. So I hope you enjoyed this mani and this Christmas in July mani. Something different, right? Change of pace for summer, and I will see you all in my next upload.